Studios. Woohoo!
Yeah.
So the first thing that we're gonna do, we want to watch the castle, or not? I almost called it the castle show. What do they call it here? It's the something.
I don't know. The Star Wars show in front of Chinese theater.
Yes, that one. So the others are waiting for a spot for that. We're gonna come do the Star Wars Path of the Jedi.
Path of the Jedi.
Path of the Jedi, which I've done before I watched all the Star Wars films. And now that I've seen them, all except for the 8th, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yes. Now that I've seen them and I have the understanding, and this will probably make even more sense to me and will probably help clarify things even more.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about this.
Oh,
Path of the Jedi is not currently operating. Do you want to look in this thing?
Oh, that's
What is that? Oh, it's a little arcade. Okay. Well, let's just walk around. It's so cool. They've taken just the regular like main gift shop here and like made it a hub for almost like the one we went in earlier on Sunset. All of the Star Wars specific Galaxy's Edge merch. Looks really good in here. This makes sense of why this was down for renovation, or so I thought it was renovation. They were putting all this in here.
Oh, wow.
So we went in more of the shops, took another PhotoPass picture. And right now we're going to watch the Star Wars, what is this called? The Galaxy
Far, Far Away.
The stage show. And I've always seen like bits and pieces of this, like while passing through. I've never like actually full on watched it. And we're watching it from the front row. So like this is where the stormtroopers are gonna get like right up close in our face. Oh, here they come, they're marching out.
Boba Fett.
Perfect timing.
Darth
Oh
Maul,
my gosh.
Phasma.
This is gonna be so cool.
Darth Maul.
Are you excited?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so this is gonna be cool. It's a very Star Warsy day. Oh my gosh, they're all coming. Kylo Ren. Yeah, and the galaxy is here.
And
oh, there's the good guys. There's Rey and Chewie.
Well, Rey's in it now.
I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2. Man fluent over 6 billion forms of communication. Secret mission of plans. Ourselves to the Jedi.
stage show. It was cool. I love like how it just like fills you with like this high energy of Star Wars. It really does. Like this empowerment of like, whoa, which is like all the music and like the video in the background was like so well edited. And then it's just neat. It's kind of like a photo op of like you get to see all the characters come out at once. It was really, really cool. Yeah. So now that was like the perfect entry to now we're going back. We're going back into Galaxy's Edge.
Yes, we are.
Third time for the day.
All hyped up about Star Wars now.
Yes, all hyped up about Star Wars.
Like we weren't before.
Exactly, like we weren't before. And we're going to, I think, stand by the Falcon. Yeah. So we'll all ride it together. Okay, they're not checking people's times. So is it open to everyone? I think it's open to everybody now. All right. In the evening. Okay. It's Rising Moons now. So I guess they got rid of the reservation system. It's now open. Cool, hi. Very cool. I love this transition tunnel. This is so cool. With the sun hitting it, doesn't that look so cool? Wow. Here we go, opening day as the sun's starting to set. You can already tell crowd level wise, like this is crazy. Yeah. Like this is the most calm, well organized opening. Like just Disney did an amazing job with this. Everything has been so perfect. You can see this is where everyone was standing in line, and it's a good sign that people are not here right now. That means we should have a short wait time. Oh my god, I can't get over how open this is. This is opening day. Opening day of Star Wars.
Are they open?
Oh, you want to? Yes, let's get a Coke. So hold it up. There's your first Batu drink. Yes. I had the Coke during the preview and I just love them. They look like so... Yeah. You know what we could do? Make a Christmas ornament out of it.
That's a great idea.
Oh my gosh, because I saved mine from the Passholder preview. Took it home. So, oh, there's everybody. Yeah. That is such a good idea.
Line for the Troy Depot. It's not very long.
Oh, we could do that too. I'm so excited. This is just crazy. Like, it's so chill in here right now. So you can actually like walk through and appreciate the details right now. Oh my gosh. I am in shock. Yeah, this is nuts. I can't get over saying this enough, but like we were like as we were back at the hotel just now, we were talking about today was like the best blessing of a day. It was just like one of those perfect magical Disney filled days where it's just like everything just went so perfectly. We got to do so much. We were a part of, we're just on cloud nine that we were a part of this amazing, amazing opening. And forever we get to say, you know, we were here the day that the biggest theme park expansion in history opened up. I just feel so blessed to say that. I'm on cloud nine right now, if you can't tell. And look at this. I can just tell this is gonna be a perfect night because there's like, it's so chill. It's like just a bunch of people hanging out on Batu. Oh, I love this. Look at this. How it looks like a house up there, like a little apartment. Oh yeah. You wanna go live up there? That's a good apartment. There's the Falcon. So this is the end of the line. It is 75 minutes. Like what? 75 minutes on opening day to ride the Millennium Falcon. I'm so excited.
You guys, we just walked under it.
Yeah. We're standing. Yeah, we didn't get to do this earlier when we went through single rider. Look at this. Okay, so Danny. Okay. I heard that there is a mini, like, Millennium Falcon somewhere in, like, you see how, like, in here there's all the gears and, like, this is like that kit bashing stuff everyone talks about? Yeah. Well, there's apparently a miniature Millennium Falcon hidden somewhere in here. Really? Yeah, so let's try to find it. Okay, yeah. It might be, I think it's like up underneath one of these things. It might be closer up this way. I don't know though, so just keep looking. Okay. Wow. Alright, we're in the queue line now for the Falcon. Jason has met back up with us, and we're all gonna ride together. I'm super excited. And Danny and Andy are, because we have 5 people, we'll definitely have like, it'll be like all of us on the Falcon and then like one single rider. So we should be able to like all get the positions we want. So we're gonna have Danny and Andy pilot together for the first time. Because earlier they were gunner and engineer together. So now they'll get to pilot together. And I'm just so excited to watch your reactions on the ride. Danny's favorite thing in the land has been this game. Look at it! This is so cool. Like, I love watching. It makes the waiting like fun because, as you said, the line was actually moving too quick for you, which is a good issue to have because you're trying to do. They have so many of these little interactive things hidden in here, and just being so close to the ship right now is incredible. We are all just standing here marveling at like the details.
Oh, those are spices.
It's good. No,
What is it?
I haven't.
Those
I
are
haven't been
spices.
up
They're
there
spices.
Yeah.
this day.
Spicy.
I've done this queue in California. Right.
What's this one?
It's cool.
That's a pidroid head.
So what do you do with those? Like, you collect them? Does
Yeah,
it
I'm
get you
storing
credits? Oh,
They might come in handy later.
they might. This is so fun. There's another one down there. Okay, so this is really cool. Jason just told us that he heard there are 2 hidden like Easter eggs that are nods to both the Backlot Tour and the Lights Motor Action stunt show, because that's what used to be here in this land where we are, which is mind-boggling for me to think about. Because usually when Disney does like a, you know, what do you call it? Like a reimagining of an entire area, I'm very good at like orienting myself with where things used to be. This one, I can't even picture it because it's like everything in here, they've just completely like made it so different. They like bulldozed over everything and it's like a whole other planet, literally. So yes, now we need to find these Easter eggs.
So like, see how like
We're heading inside now and see air conditioning. It is a hot one. It's humid today on the opening day of Star Wars. I just realized this is Danny's first time being in the standby line. Because earlier we were in single rider, so I was so excited for him to see. Like, this is so well done.
To replace you. Got it. But even if we forget all of it, you want to know if you could run the whole place yourself. Nothing much. Checking in with you, Gar. Anything? No, if I can get back to work, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, if you can get back to work, everyone would appreciate it. Thanks, Gar.
Pull the lever!
No, indeed. We are complete.
They don't work! Oh no.
I love the boat. And they're very similar characters. Yondu and Hano. Oh, yeah. They're actually pretty similar.
Oh whoa, I never saw it do that.
The rudder's moving.
Yes! I didn't notice that before. Whoa, I was never standing like right here when it made that noise. That was cool. There's a porg's nest in the line.
There's also one in the exit.
Oh, look at that. Is there any eggs in there? I want to know. Okay, so we're on the Disney Play app. So when we get up to the overlook, this is Danny's next mission, is to find how many of these there are.
Yeah, there's either 4, 8, or 6.
Okay, so it's a multiple choice thing. Oh, I like stuff like this. This is exciting. Okay, so there's this window, and then when we kind of go around to the next room, there's like an even better overlook of the Falcon.
I think.
You think we can see them all from here?
Oh, no, I think.
So in the next window, we'll have like a really good view of it. I just love the look of that Falcon, my goodness. This wall right here looks like it is wet. It's really just how they painted it. That fascinates me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see.
4, yeah.
Is there any more?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Danny's answering 4. Is it correct?
Yep.
Yay, good job.
Below the food drive.
This game is cool.
Yes, red.
That's fun. So what are you doing now, the red panels?
From left to right, which plate is red?
Which plate is red? There's this.
That'll be the second plate.
Oh, there we go, yeah. Second plate.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yep.
Yay! What's our next one? Is there another?
All the red thrust vector places you can put the ship.
Power key mold. Oh, look, you can see the tip of the Swan and Dolphin Hotel. I didn't realize that.
What shape is on it? It's an X.
It's an X. Good job. That's so cool. All right, we're going in where we see, what's this guy's name up here? I always forget. Hondo, yes. We're gonna go in and see Hondo. And fun fact, we've never been on this side, I don't think. We've always been over, Danny's first time seeing him. Isn't it so cool?
But without the bounty on your head, it's recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't.
Solar system.
Solar system.
Thank you.
Oh, here,
Thank you.
You're an engineer? You back here are also an engineer. You are free to board the Falcon and looking for orange credentials.
Tink you. Here we go.
Or brown credentials.
We're brown. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna be a gunner this time. Woo. Wow.
Okay, hey, Andy, Danny.
Andy, Danny.
Right here.
Yes.
There you go. With the Falcon. Yes, at the table.
Safety, remain seated and supervise young ones.
And stow all of your cargo.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Here we are. Seatbelts first, please. And put on your seatbelt, please.
Automatic
Watch and press it. That's going to activate your controls.
We're ready.
Wow.
Anything that's flashing, press it. That's going to activate your controls.
I'm gonna try auto control this time. It's like a little bit different.
Flight engineer, repair test.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Better be faster when we get away.
Jimmy, baby, hold together.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out.
Yep.
And push forward to fly down.
Yeah, I know. That's the way it needs to be.
Weapons are online. Pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Here we go.
There we go.
Tell me to punch it. Punch it.
Good job, Danny.
Here we go.
We're doing it.
All right.
Train. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Take evasive action. Oh no! Sorry.
Yes, my friend. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons.
Fire! Fire!
Excellent. Gunners, shoot the car. If pilot brakes. Yes, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend. Well, I grabbed the gold axiom. You see, just as I go, that's what they need. They need something from Hondo. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train.
Keep shooting! Keep shooting!
Keep shooting.
And last one! Perfect!
Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Get more gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We have to get out of here! It's a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Here we go.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing!
amazing. Oh yes! That's what it is.
Pilots, in maneuvers. We've got company. Chew is right. We lead them back, they may find the resistance. Hit it. Watch out! That's going to end.
Yeah, it was.
Right next to it.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium.
Yeah,
This will greatly help the resistance. And made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit,
that was so
your
fun.
cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Not terrible.
Not bad.
85%. That
Woo!
sounds good.
Gotta take a picture.
Details. All right.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another round.
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Yeah.
I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that?
There they are.
There we go.
Yeah. What did you think, being a pilot?
That was incredible.
Yeah.
We did well enough on that one that I have earned the title of pirate.
Of course I did. I was wondering, is this to confuse the First Order?
Yeah. Of course.
All spies then traveling together.
I've completed some missions for you today.
Oh. Okay, so here's our meal. Sandy, it's your first time in Docking Bay 7?
Yeah. It looks fantastic.
And